Hey guys, welcome back to Quick Guide, and in this video I'm gonna talk about how Twitch Clip works. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Twitch Clip is a feature provided by Twitch officially, and by using this feature you can capture moments of your favorite streamer from their stream without getting any copyrights or anything. First of all, you have to open any of the streams that you want to convert into a short clip, and after opening the stream you will get to see this icon just besides the gear option. You just simply have to tap into that option and then you can create a clip. The best part about this feature is not just streamer but any of the viewers can also make the clip. After tapping into that clip option, your clip will automatically be generated and you can edit it, share it and choose other options too. So Twitch Clips works in very basic formula. I hope you understand every process. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.